Hi, I'm Laura Forbes-Carlin, co-founder of Inspired Everyday Living, and I'm going to share with you 3 simple things that you can do to uplift the energy in your home. The first is let in fresh air and sunshine. Get in the habit of first thing in the morning when you wake up, pulling back the curtains and opening up windows. Fresh air and sunshine can really shift the energy in our home, especially when we open up windows and pull back the curtains with the intention of letting in joy and love and peace and whatever other qualities that we desire. The second thing you can do is to clear clutter. This is definitely a time to choose love in our homes. So just surround yourself with the things that are loved and useful, and we really want to go for love. So keep the things that lift you up, that inspire you, that make your heart sing. Also keep in mind as you're clutter clearing, it can be really helpful to get things up and off the floor. There's an expression where your attention goes, energy flows. So when things are on the floor, we tend to look down, and that tends to bring our energy down. So just getting things up in our homes can actually elevate the energy. So put shoes on a shoe rack off the floor, hang up coats, get hooks, get pegboard, just lift things up, put art up on the wall, display photographs on the wall, and so forth. The third thing that we want to do is use and display these things that we love. So don't wait to use your precious items. Light the beautiful candles someone gave you, use your best dishes, use the cloth napkins, whatever it is. We really want to live in joy in this moment in our life. So go ahead and use these things that you love and then display them. It can be really wonderful to have these things that we love on display so that every time we walk by them, we get a boost of positive energy. And just by being out in our home, these loved objects also contribute to uplifting the energy in a space. So you can create these focal points of beauty in your space by just grouping together some of these loved items. Here I have a shell that is one of my most cherished items that a dear friend gave me. And I just put a candle next to it, and I just picked some flowers from my garden and just made this little focal point that now brings me so much joy every time I walk by it and makes me stop and breathe for a moment and appreciate. So some great places to think about having focal points are your eating table, your dining or kitchen table, having some type of centerpiece there that lifts you up. Also where you work, looking at something inspirational, and definitely your view from your bed, because what you see right before you go to sleep at night and when you wake up in the morning can set such a powerful intention. Let in fresh air and sunshine, live with what you love by clearing the clutter, get things off the floor, and use and display the things that you love in your home.